Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto charts, news, and much, much more. Okay, so we're going to go live across multiple socials, inside Telegram chats, and across all the projects, as you know. And we're going to talk about the overall crypto. Come join us for today's live crypto news and more. Okay. So we have that on the actual Telegram pages, and we have that across the chat. All right, so what are we looking at? We're looking at today's overall cryptocurrency market cap at 1.17 trillion dollars, up 2%. 24-hour volume at about 80 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at, I actually was showing you a dominance chart. We're going to show it. It says 53%, 53.8 here. Ethereum 15.9, gas GUI 25. Fear and greed, we're at 74 towards the greed side. Bitcoin right now at $46,820, up 3.9% today. All right, $917.5 billion market cap, 38 bill volume, right? Ethereum, $2,248, 1% to the downside, $270 billion market cap, 12.6 billion in volume. USDT now at a $94.1 billion market cap. USDT printing money on the sidelines, and you can see by the dominance that Bitcoin dominance has been pulling in from all directions, right? Binance BNB at $301, 0.09, 1.5% to the downside. $30.2 billion market cap, $1.3 billion in volume. The next top stablecoin, USDC, at $25.3 billion market cap, $7 billion in volume. So this is increasing the stablecoins on the sidelines, right? Cardano, ADA, at 50 cents, 0.7% to the downside today, $17.9 billion market cap, about $500 million volume today. Avalanche, number 9 spot, $35.37, 3.4 to the upside today, $12.9 billion market cap, about $1 billion in volume. Doge at your number 10 spot, yet again, right? At 7 cents, 2% to the downside today, $11 billion market cap, 530 million volume, all right? Polkadot at your number 11, so we're going past number 10. We have Polkadot, Tron, Chainlink. So all these big altcoin names is something that we're going to be paying attention to in the bull run, and when we diversify our crypto portfolios, this is what we are looking at. Toncoin, man, that's seen an increase this year. We've seen good increases Shiba. Well, we're going to talk about the charts. We're going to look at the news real quick. U.S. Bitcoin Rodney, Donald Trump and the crypto industry, and all that. Let me see. Okay, yeah, about the ETF. Will Bitcoin decision looming? Talk about Gary the chair, FOMO warning, and different outlooks for Bitcoin. It's really crazy, all the stuff that people are talking about that's happening in Bitcoin. Memes have been having massive volume. We see all the funds on the sidelines coming in and rocking for the memes. That's something that we definitely pay attention to. Amazing, right? Okay, let's take a look at the charts. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Follow, subscribe, like. We give out all this information. We're going to have a bunch of stuff happening for us. All right, we filled some massive NFT sales. Shout out Bonk Rock. We had a lot of stuff happening for us, which was awesome. So stay tuned with that, right? Okay, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, so I'm starting off the 1 hour chart. I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about what's going on. Let's see what's going on and happening here. Okay, so you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we were above the 50 EMA, which is right here. Okay, this is the 200 EMA. The 50 is above the 200. Okay, which is bullish. We're above the psychological high, so we are in FOMO zones, right? So look, in New York session, the red box, then we pumped. We pulled back, we hit the 50, so I always play to hit the 50, all right? So I'm always going to wonder when we're going to come back and hit those 50s and ride the moving averages for targets. So right now I'm looking for a retrace and then continuation to the upside if we are going to see more bullish momentum with those targets of that 48K in range, because I'm looking on the more longer term, right? Let's see what's happening here. You can see that we have been an upward trend now that we're following, on these time frames. So this is, I'm saying, hey, that could be the journey to our 50K, right? 4-hour time frame, are we printing higher lows? So we had this low right here, then we had a higher low, and then look, we had this higher low right here, and then the next candle. So pay attention to that. We are above this level. So are we going to flip that resistance level into support now at that 46K level? This is something that we're paying attention to. Let's go to daily. Overall on the daily. Now you can see we printed that blue candle. So boom. I want to see some good accumulation at these levels before we continue, so that way we can have a stronger moving average and stronger chart and technicals hitting in, which is definitely beneficial. You can see the overall crypto market cap is now way up there. It's 1.6 trillion, and then Bitcoin, overall market cap on Bitcoin actually has been insane too. It's almost at what is it at right now? It's at 917. So it's almost at $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin alone, which is insane, okay? So we're looking at Bitcoin, and this is on the daily, all right? So we are above the 50, and we have been above the 50 for quite some time. We didn't touch the 50 only on the 3rd, so that's something that we pay attention to. And we've been having this slow but true trend, which is amazing, with touching the moving averages as we go. So that's what we're expecting this trend to continue. We've been in uptrend ever since we flipped over here, October 17th, and then we've been riding above that ever since. So we're seeing a slow but true trend on the daily. Ethereum on the daily, we flipped the 200 over the 800, which is right here. The 50 is above as usual. We came back and retested the 50, so this is good from what I'm seeing here. And then you can see this trend. So we're going to be looking for a breakout with a target of that $2,500 range on a breakout on this one. So that's going to be a long-term daily of what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Binance BNB. See, now we're now seeing the 50 cross over the 800, which is bullish. This is something I wanted to see, but I want to see when are we going to hit that 50 EMA so we can get that retrace with a continuation to the upside. So right now I'm just playing BNB as a accumulation sideways, because we are right at that $300 range, failing a bit. Okay, so we can see that $290 range hit if we do fail below that. Okay, and then we got XRP, all right, which is riding in between the 200 and the 800. So if we close below that 57-cent range today, I can expect, more downward play to the 54-cent range. Matic, okay, after that $1.05 run up, we are now trading again in between the 800 and the 200. If we close in this range, I don't want to see us breaking below the 76. If we do, I see us hitting targets of that 68 cent. All right. Our dollar index, okay, has been decreasing, but we did see a slight increase, which, that stops the steam on the crypto market pulling. But Bitcoin has been having a mind of its own. Dogecoin at your 7-cent mark. Okay, so you are back down towards that 200, testing it. We don't want to close below that 7 and 7-cent range. If we do, I can actually see it coming back into the ranges of that 6.5 cent range. And then we got, okay, we'll just look at your Cardano real quick. Cardano, same thing. We're riding below that 800. I don't want to close below that 851. And then a target could actually bring us all the way back down to the 39. All right, Avalanche, 35. We are hitting that 50. That's the retrace that we're waiting for. And then you can see I'm expecting a nice bull run up to that $54 range on Avalanche. So we're testing that 50, which is something that I've been looking for. As you can see from when we started having this happening to us, right? So that's something I paid attention to. Solana, 100 right now. Solana did come towards that 50 EMA, which is something I want to see, and then we hit it. Continuation to the upside. Some retarded FUD, crazy. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that word, but crazy FUD happened. People are bugging out. Oh my God, Solana's rug pulls, all kinds of stuff like that, and it just wasn't even true. It's crazy. So that's something we're paying attention to. We went through a lot of coins on the dailies here. Phantom coming for that 31-cent range. All right. Okay, but Big Daddy Bitcoin of them all, as you can see, carrying off 46,088. Let's go down to the 30-minute real quick so we can actually close this with you guys, so you guys can see what's happening across the board there for us. Okay, so we did hit that 50, and then we're topping towards that daily open. All right, 47. 47,000. We're sitting here, see accumulation to the upside. I'm not looking any crazy longs now. I'm looking as Bitcoin's hitting this top, as you can see here at 47K resistance. So this is going to be levels that we're expecting to trade with. Okay, Matt, I love and respect you. We're chilling with Jay's strategy. We talk about the latest and greatest crypto news, charts, coins, much more projects. Don't forget to check out all of our videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Until the